Alright, I want to show you these dog watering bowls. I've had 3 of them now for a couple of years, and as you can see, I just scooped some water out of it and it's cleaning itself right up. You come down here, this is a brass hose that's looking good. This is a quick connect right here if you wanted to take it off. They got a little bit slimy on me the other day, and I was able to clean them right out with a brass brush on a little drill. And so you can see you open that up, and it's filling, it's shaking around because I just, of course, dumping water out it to show you how it works. But they're stainless steel, and then if you look really close, it's still got lots of integrity, even though I attacked it with a brass brush the other day to keep them clean. But other than that, we leave these out all summer long, and they work just great for us.